Hello, this is really unboxing number 2, and I'm here with Spook. And hey Spook, I'm here with Spook, and I've got the second box from Stream to Sea. The first unboxing that I did was for the sunscreen that's for the women's race that we have coming out with St. Augustine Yacht Club and St. Augustine Sailing Sisters, and it's for the Betty Griffin house. Oh boy. Woo! Not for you. So I tried this weekend. I was working a construction job, and I tried this weekend and tested out the sunscreens one more time. I had been using the same 30 SPF on my face all along, and I had ordered for myself some, sting relief. I had ordered for myself some of the new tinted sunscreen, and I had used the non-tinted on this side and the tinted on this side just to see the difference in coverage, and it works out really good for wearing as a foundation underneath my makeup. It's great. I can wear it every single day. It's delicate enough for my skin. It doesn't irritate my skin, and you can see that I don't have any breakouts or anything from wearing it all weekend long. At first I was a little bit concerned that the sunscreen would make me sweat too much, and so I tried it against my previously used sunscreen that I would use when I was on land. I really hadn't thought about that I should be wearing the Reef Safe sunscreen even when I am on land. And so I had kind of been saving it for when I'm on the boat. Well, now I know. It's an unboxing. There will be cats. That's how unboxings go. So now I know that it doesn't make me sweat any more than the brand I was already using. Plus, it's got the benefit of being reef safe, and it's human safe, and tested and not at all toxic for coral larvae. And not to mention that the containers are biodegradable, so this looks like it's a little gift. Thank you for your order. Please enjoy this complimentary 1 ounce on us. Make sure to share your love for our waters by using Stream to Sea on social media. Together we can make a difference. And it's, this is great. It's a little travel size of sting and relief gel. So, pardon the cat. So this was my order. I wanted to order enough of these Reef relief kits so that I wouldn't have to give away the one I had ordered for myself, but I ordered 6 more of these so that I would have plenty for prizes for the upcoming race, because we have 2 classes. We have all women's class and we have mixed, and I want first, second, and third place to have one of these, and hopefully I'll win first, second, or third place, and I'll get one as well. And I needed a few more of the bags. These are, I really took a good look at them the other day, and wow, these dry bags are the coolest dry bags. I don't think I really showed you just how awesome they are. They're really, really nice and thick. They remind me of the old Avon dinghies, the old Avon Red Crest, with all of the reinforced seams. And so they're a decent size. It's just about the perfect size for spare shorts, a spare shirt, spare foundation garments, and maybe something else as well. Plenty of room. And so you just roll down the top a little bit, and then you can clip them. And I found out the other day they come with a strap, and so not only can you just carry them by hand, but you can also put this strap on them, and they've got some really nice fittings on them, and you can carry it over your shoulder if you need. So it's just absolute perfect size. Look at that. It's just the absolute perfect size for putting in a change of clothing for when it gets wet, if you get rain on the boat, or putting in something that you want to stay dry. And a reef kit in the bag. There we go. So whoever wins first, second, and third place in the upcoming women's race with St. Augustine Sailing Sisters, I've got a great prize for you. And that would be first, second, and third place for both the mixed and for the women's only. So if you like my content and you like my reviews, please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, ask me any questions that you have. I spent a lot of time this weekend really testing out the sunscreens, and I also did a lot more research. I still can't exactly pronounce all of those ingredients, but I'm getting a little bit more familiar with them, and I know what to look for in my other products. And I think my approach is going to be one thing a year. I know last year I really worked at giving up plastics, and we even started carrying plastic containers when we go out to eat, so that if we have leftovers, especially places where we know that we're going to have leftovers, we've been carrying our own containers with us. Of course, we never use straws anyway, so we didn't need to give up straws. And I'm slowly but surely eliminating something. And I think the idea of changing over all of your personal products, all of your sunscreen, and all of your hair care products, it's just a lot. But you know what's going to be really easy is just to make one change. And one change this year can definitely be sunscreen. Everybody can do that one thing, because first of all, you need a new tube of sunscreen. It's a new year. Your sunscreen's a year old. You need a new tube. So you might as well make it reef safe. You might as well make it non-toxic. And you might as well get the kind that comes in a biodegradable container, which Dream2See does. That one change, once you get that under your belt, then maybe you'll be ready for another change. Maybe you'll be ready to change your leave-in conditioner, or you'll be ready to change your shampoo or your body wash or something else. But if we don't make one change and then another, we make no changes at all, then we just keep doing the same damage to the reefs and to the ocean. And I know that's not what we want to do. These cards that I had ordered, the ingredients to avoid, the print on them is pretty small, and I know that some of the members of our yacht club are going to say that they're a little bit too small to read. And so I think what I'm going to suggest that they do, and also as a recycling effort, would be to, there are strings on these bags, and so there's a cat dragging one of the bags away. And it's, of course, sitting on the recycled paper that stuffs the box. But what I think I'll do is I think I will tell everybody simply to take a picture of the card and then pass the card on to someone else. And when they take a picture of it with their cell phone, they can always zoom in. And if they put the picture in their favorites on their cell phone, then when they're in a store looking at personal hygiene products, they can quickly look and say, okay, sodium, okay, yeah, I shouldn't buy this one, but I could buy this one. And maybe people will start making some, if they've got the information right there, they can make some better choices. I know I want to make some better choices in this coming year with regards to personal hygiene products, with shampoo and conditioner and all of those items. So my goal is to start out with one product. I'm starting out by making sure that I'm not using my Reef Safe sunscreen only when I'm on the water, but I'm going to be using it all day, every day, not just days that I'm on the water. And next, I'll tackle shampoo and conditioner and other items. So this is Kim with Deepwater Happy, and I wish you could see the scene over here. I'll move it so that you can see. I've got my assistant right here. This is Spook, and he has dragged one of the bags over to him. And then we have Jasper, who actually already is an internet sensation with his Really Jasper series. And I'm Kim with Deepwater Happy, and all my Dream2See goodies, and these are for the upcoming race, and I'll see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, and follow my channel, and I've got more coming. I've got some dive safety coming, some dive boat safety coming, and a lot more content on the way. So I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.